It's 4:35 a.m. and this is what I've been woken up to. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but it's literally shaking my apartment building. And this is all being taken outside of my front door. There are no permit signs, nothing, no notices. You can see on all the posts, there's nothing posted anywhere. Super illegal. Thank you, Chicago. This is an amazing way to be woken up on a Monday. Can't think of a better way to start my week.